This job, we have the valve cover gaskets, the upper plenum gasket because that's going to come off to get to the valve cover, and then since we're in there, we're going to do some spark plugs. Alrighty, so first thing, I'm going to take this helps to have a drill. Take that off. Disconnect this hose here. Pull that off. And we also want to take off the negative battery post. You always want to take the battery post off. Disconnecting any electrical connectors, everything like that. It's always better to be safe.